Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to close your Goodbudget household account. To delete or close your Goodbudget household, first of all, open up the Goodbudget application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're in the home page, tap the More button at the bottom right corner. You will then be able to see the Manage Household option on the next page. Tap on that and click on Close Household from the Manage Household page. You will then be taken to goodbudget.com website. Go through the information and click on Yes, I will never use my data again. Remember that after you delete your household, you will lose access to your envelopes, accounts, and transactions. After tapping on the Yes button, click on Yes, I will never use my data again one more time to confirm, and this will then close your Goodbudget's household. Now after you do that, you'll be redirected to the sign-in page and you have now successfully closed your household. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.